I
You
have
may
seen some
proceed.
senator judge stand up here. What's
You may
the
proceed,
matter with the majority leader? What's wrong with my standing here? Ay tawagin lamang ninyo si Mr. Tan at si Pangulong Estrada.
You allow...
Only po on two matters.
yes.
That Mr. Tan be
This through Christ our Lord. He became incarnate, the word of the Father was
only the malicious minds of the Arab boys with clear agenda of demolishing to call on Mr. Tan. I also ask that you call the President, President Ejercito Estrada, alias Jose Velarde, if you believe Mrs. Clarissa Ocampo's testimony, to the stand, so I can likewise ask him about this matter, because I know that he is the one behind this black propaganda against me, Mr. Chief Justice, because I refuse to help him intervene in a more serious case than BW, and I speak of the Visconde murder trial case. Finally, I ask my esteemed colleagues in the defense.
Here and now, we would like to put on record that we will conduct the defense of the President in the manner that we choose to, as lawyers of the President. We shall not, Mr. Chief Justice, be dictated on or influenced by anyone, whether in this court or outside, on the manner by which we shall proceed.
Leader.
Before the majority leader, Mr.
Yes,
Chief
John
Justice.
Rosales.
Sa action na sinasabi ni Senator Cayetano, hindi po namin yan inimbestigahan dahil wala naman pong indikasyon.
Were you ever engaged by Mr. Dante Tan to help him out in any capacity?
Hindi po.
Not as a lawyer?
Hindi po.
So what was said over the television and radio this morning that you were paid 1.5 million, is that true?
Hindi po.
Thank you, Mr. Romano.
These recommendations are good for the industry.
Hard o CLOA. Yan ay kanila ng lupa yan. Sa pangunguna ng inyong gobernadora, sinabi na sa akin, natapos na investigasyon nila at sinabi nila, involved daw si Mr. Dantitan. Sinagot ko lamang sa kanila, kung involved, didemanda nyo at i-release nyo sa press. Tapos na umalis na sila. Kaya lahat ng sinasabi niya, puro kasinungalingan.
Isa pang pangalan. Wala na pangalan iba? Wala na bang iba?
And so now we are praying to the Creator to use all the positive energies in us in order to release the country from the bondage of evil and sinfulness and from the spell that is destroying all of us.